Everybody, this is Carter. And what are you going to talk about, Carter?
My Nerf gun.
Your Nerf gun?
Yeah.
And what type of Nerf gun is it? Come in, let me see. He has the Nerf gun Elite. Nerf gun 6 dart slam free Elite. This is the box. Show him the gun. Let me see the gun. And then he has the Max Attack gun. And this is we got this from Family Dollar. And so, Carter.
Yeah.
Are you going to show him the guns?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. And what's the other one?
What? Which one?
And this is the Max Attack X Shots.
I can't pull it out though.
And these are the shots that you shoot. We're going to get these out in a second. And these are all the features of the gun. So there's a battery button function. Oh, and these are the darts and the dart port, clip port that you. So 10 darts and 1 sound.
Not my
See?
one sound.
That's for the battery